Take the painting pen housing apart. Then insert the painting pen. Tighten the bottom of the housing. Remove the blade and install a pen into the machine. Place the cardstock on the cutting mat. Press the load/unload button to load the material into the machine. Choose an image you like from the library and click Add to Canvas. Go back to the canvas. Click Text to edit your text and arrange it as you like. Click Make to preview and select Draw. Select the image and adjust its position and size. Click Add to Task. Then click Start to begin drawing. Next, let the pen do its work. After drawing, press the load/unload button to remove the material. Add color and your greeting card is complete.